Hi, so we have Magnus from Telenor with us, who is going to talk about the IoT Complete solution that Telenor has. So welcome, Magnus, and a pleasure speaking with you. So can you tell us a little bit more about this IoT Complete itself and what makes it an end-to-end service?
Right. Yes. Hi. The end-to-end perspective is to simplify for customers that want to connect their products. So in this example here, it's just for illustrational purpose. We have a product that could be connected. It's an excavator. What we are illustrating here is a connected excavator where we provide the complete solution, where the customer take the existing interfaces on their excavator. Here we measure battery and a little bit everything, and then they are able to buy all the other pieces of the equipment from Telenor, so they don't have to develop a lot of hardware, firmware, and making sure that the connectivity works. They are able to buy that as a service from an end-to-end perspective. So we are sort of broadening the perspective of connectivity and offloading a lot of complexity from the customer.
Thanks. And can you also elaborate on what are the verticals that you're targeting at the moment?
Yeah, and we have tried to be very close to the connectivity close part of the solution, and we are trying to avoid becoming too much vertical orientated. So what we see that we actually target quite a wide range of customers, being everything from water pumps and water distribution, HVAC like heat and cooling of air. Of course, also a lot of moving equipment like forest machines and forklifts and excavators or whatever you have, but also other like security cameras, sensors, burglar alarms, and stuff like that. So a lot of a wide range of verticals that are into. But you need to have a certain range of. You need to have room for one of these pieces of equipment that needs to be able to fit in your product to make it connected. So that is what we have experienced so far on the market.
So, if I, as a customer, come to you for a service like this, so do you provide advisory service along with it, or does he have to do it by himself?
It's a good question. We are not the expert of becoming like the consultancy, providing a lot of business transformation advice and stuff like that. So we don't think that we are the right one. What we do see is that since we are able to shorten the time that the company needs to spend on making the solution work from like 3, 4, 5 years project until days or weeks using our solution, it becomes a lot easier for the customer to actually spend time and work on what is difficult, understanding this is the problem that the customer wants to have a solution for. This is how I maybe should restructure myself as a company. Maybe I should have services as one organization and product as the other. Maybe I need to combine that. How do I reach the customer once I have figured out what I need? How do I transform my sales? How do I transform the way that I go to market? So we enable customer to work much more with that. And of course, we have realized we have some certain historical expertise or knowledge about what our customer have experienced going from non-connected products to connected products, and of course that's part of what we discuss with customer, but not sort of the consultancy expert of making the business transformation.
Thanks, and it will be good to get a short demo of this.
Yeah, we could just for illustration purpose see what this is doing. We are monitoring the battery of the excavator, but we have also illustrated that this is a safety alarm. So when something goes wrong and this is tipping for some reason, there is an action trigger that over a certain range, using the built-in accelerometers, there is an alarm going off that could send. It could call someone. It could raise that there is a rescue going on. We turn on the light, and this is happening between the cloud and the excavator. So it's a full end-to-end connectivity services. Once I cancel out the alarm locally here, the information goes to the cloud, that turns off the alarm, and the light is stopping. So this is something that we set up in like 1 hour's time. So every configuration is done through the portal, and everything is just plug and play and configuration.
Thank you, Magnus. This was awesome.
You?
And best of luck at the MWC.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.